guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements with Amanda, and today I will be doing 2 kitty Halloween baskets. So let me show you some of the things that we have. First thing we got is the Halloween cups. I thought these were so cute. And we got the zombie Gumby fingers. We have over here, what is this? A paint set, a Halloween paint set. We got the Halloween bubbles. We have the coloring books. We have a lot of Halloween goodies for the kids. I think they're really going to enjoy this. Alright guys, the first basket I'm going to work on is the Halloween, Happy Halloween basket, the orange basket. Alright, so I'm going to start with my filler. You know what, Ashley, let me take this back out. I'm going to add some tissue paper just to give me a little bit more leverage, like I always do. And then I'm going to add my papers in, my shredded paper. Alright guys, so my next basket I'll be doing is the black cat basket. I already added the fillers in. And I'm going to get started with adding the items. Okay guys, so for the finishing touch, I am going to add some scary eyeballs. I'm going to add the eyeballs to each basket, just to make it interesting and fun. And I am going to add my spider webs. So I'm going to stretch this out, guys. It's my first time messing around with spider webs, so give me a second. Alright, so this is cute, guys. Cute and scary, I think. This is really neat. I like this. Alright, and I'm just going to tear the pieces off that I don't need. And I'm just going to do the same thing for the other basket. And these webs, this spider web, this stuff is really, it's sticky. It gets stuck to everything. That is neat. Alright guys, that is pretty much it. I'm going to add my spiders. And that is it for my baskets. So I think these baskets came out really good, cute, and scary for the kids. So you guys let me know if you like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.